Yeah, I got my Scag Liberty Z. I paid extra for the Kawasaki engine. It was $800, and then the Hurricane kit, the mulching kit on it is another $700. 48-inch. I got this unit because it's compact and it really cuts nice. So, but the mulching kit, it just vaporizes all the greens. See all the leaves. Yeah, it's a zero turn, but I found out that we still gotta make 3-point turns. If not, it would cause bald spots on the grass. It's summertime, so I'm raising my cut to 4 inches. That way the grass can grow, not die. Nice little unit, this one. Believe it or not, I cut 22 acres up at Kayana Point, a satellite traction station with this thing. I'm beginning to let my son operate more.